Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mauro from Vegan Yes. Today I want to show you how to prepare kimchi mayonnaise, recipe in my cookbook. We start with kimchi because it's kimchi mayonnaise. So we take a purple kimchi, we put in a container, and we add to the kimchi some black salt. The black salt is the salt with the sulfur taste, so they taste like eggy. After the salt, we have three options. We can add vinegar, we can add lemon, or we can add old kombucha. I have my old kombucha, so I add my old kombucha. And the next ingredient is oil. I have here some sunflower oil. Yeah, really good. And the last ingredient is soya milk, unsweetened soya milk. You can see what's happened. The soya milk goes straight away on the bottom, and they will touch the vinegar, or in this case my old kombucha. And the kombucha or the vinegar with the soya milk, they make thickness. It was beautiful. Because they smell the sulfur from the salt. And now we take the hand blender and we go in on the bottom, and we start to mix slowly attached to the bottom, and we come up slowly and we turn. You can see they come thickness. Voila. Very thick. It's done. Nothing to do anymore. Just clean the hand blender and enjoy the mayonnaise. Yes! Thank you!